wide angle into Mayurasana. Find wide angle. Hand backwards, fingers facing backwards. And here you just want to find like you can control the balance. And I'm using this forward hand to modulate. When it feels good, I can commit the hand and just hang out here. And then if I lose my balance, the hand comes off. Once I feel confident that I can hold this for maybe just 2 seconds, within that 2 seconds, I'm going to commit to bending the elbows and releasing the legs, coming back into Mayurasana. If you fall at the pointer. We're going to go from wide angle to Mayurasana, starting in kneeling position, so like a wide angle kneeling. Bring one hand to the middle and the other one out for balance. And then I want to make sure that I can bring that elbow into the midline. And then I'm going to practice just by placing my second hand on the line and getting used to having all 4 points connected to the line. And then removing one hand for balance if I feel out of control. Once I'm here, using the breath, I have to create space by curling. And once I've created that space, I'm just going to commit to leaning in onto my elbows. Like that. Again, attempting to fall back into either pointer or double knees.